All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a complete, step-by-step roadmap for building a massive crypto portfolio from absolute zero. Seriously, we're going to explore exactly how you can get your very first seed capital, scale it up using free airdrops, pick the right assets, and eventually, how to actually trade millions in institutional capital.
Now you might be wondering, is it actually possible to go from $0 to thousands without investing a single dime of your own money? I know, it kind of sounds like a gimmick, right? But by leveraging some very specific digital economies, we're going to see exactly how this isn't just possible, it's a proven path.
So, let's kick things off with Section 1, starting from absolute zero.
To get started, we're looking at this really cool framework created by Dynamo DeFi. And to make this a legitimate, realistic simulation for an absolute beginner, you've got to follow some incredibly strict rules. You can't use an existing social media following, you can't beg, and you absolutely cannot transfer in money from your bank account to pay for transaction fees, gas fees. Every single penny has to be earned natively within the digital space, operating under a complete pseudonym.
Okay, so how do we actually get that first bit of cash? Well, while traditional gig work like freelance coding or tutoring is a super reliable, slow and steady path, crypto-specific hustles are basically the rocket fuel for this ecosystem. You can build that initial seed money so much faster by doing things like Coinbase Learn to earn educational quizzes, entering meme contests, or doing digital microtasks. The whole strategy here is to take those first few dollars and move them into a highly efficient, low-fee network like Solana, making a fresh new wallet your home base.
Moving right along to Section 2, free crypto through airdrops. So, what's the move once you have that tiny $20 seed? You hunt for airdrops. Honestly, grinding for airdrops is the ultimate growth vehicle for a tiny portfolio. An airdrop is basically a free, unsolicited distribution of tokens directly to your wallet. You see, crypto founders desperately need to build a network effect for their new projects, so instead of paying for traditional ads, they just reward early users who test out their platforms by dropping free currency right into their laps.
And just look at how this idea spread like wildfire over the years. Back in 2017, airdrops were kind of just a niche PR craze. But fast forward to 2023, and you have networks like Arbitrum distributing a staggering $1.16 billion worth of tokens to early adopters. Think about that. By strategically using your tiny seed capital to pay for microtransactions on promising new networks, you are positioning yourself to catch these massive wealth generation events.
All right, Section 3, investing your first $1,000.
Let's say your hustle hits that sweet $1,000 milestone. The narrative totally pivots here. If you're a buy and hold kind of person, looking at out-of-favor altcoins reveals completely different long-term value propositions. Take XRP, for example. It's built to be a bridge currency replacing traditional bank transfers, and it relies heavily on corporate partnerships, especially now that its SEC lawsuit is wrapped up. On the flip side, you've got Cardano, which is intensely focused on decentralized, peer-reviewed smart contracts and has a strict supply cap. It literally boils down to whether you believe more in banking utility or decentralized infrastructure. But hey, what if holding just isn't your thing? That brings us to Section 4, the 15-minute trading strategy.
If you want to actively trade that capital for daily gains, you got to check out this highly mechanical 15-minute strategy. It's designed to capture profits in ranging markets, which is really just a fancy way of saying the price is moving sideways. First, you establish the top and bottom of a price range. Then, you just wait for a market structure shift. Think of it as a temporary break in the pattern. Once the price pulls back inside the range, you enter your trade at the order block. That's simply the specific price zone where large institutions previously bought or sold.
Now listen, risk management is absolutely crucial here. When the price hits the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which just means your trade has moved exactly halfway to your target, bam, you instantly close 25% of your position and move your stop loss to break even. Just like that, you've locked in a profit with absolutely zero risk moving forward.
Then, to really lock things down and secure those daily gains, you take another 25% off the table once the price stretches down to the 0.79 level, meaning it's almost reached the other end of the range. By mechanically scaling out of the trade exactly like this, you protect your capital and let your account grow without letting your emotions ruin the plan.
Okay, we're in the home stretch now. Section 5, Scaling with Prop Firms.
So, you've mastered your strategy and proven you can grow your own account, right? It's time to supercharge that portfolio, but, and here's the kicker, without risking any more of your own money. Normally, prop firms make you jump through these incredibly stressful evaluation tests on a strict time limit, but a no-challenge prop firm, they bypass all of that. You pay a simple fee and you get immediate access to live institutional capital to trade your strategy right out of the gate.
The numbers here are just staggering. We're talking about scaling from zero to managing millions almost overnight. Firms like Goat-funded Trader give you access to accounts up to $800,000, and you keep up to 100% of the profits. Alpine Funded scales you up to $2 million with weekly payouts, and FundYourFX up to $3 million with zero liability for losses. Applying your proven 15-minute strategy to an account of this size is, quite frankly, life-changing.
And honestly, skipping that evaluation phase, it's a real game changer. You're not fighting a ticking clock or arbitrary profit targets anymore. So many traders fail traditional challenges just because of the psychological pressure alone. With instant funding, your stress plummets. You can trade major news events, hold positions over the weekend, and really just operate like a true professional manager of their funds.
So, we've walked through the entire blueprint. From grinding out those crypto hustles for free seed money, to hunting massive airdrops, to executing mechanical trades, all the way up to unlocking millions in institutional liquidity. I really hope this explainer has completely rewired how you view building wealth in the digital age. The traditional barriers to wealth are gone. The capital is literally out there, sitting, waiting for you. The only question left is, what's your first move going to be?